Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to decorate my April monthly spread in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. And I'm going to be using my Cupcake Time stickers that were just released this March. Now, I know April is not my birthday month, but I didn't get a chance to use these for my birthday, so I'm going to use them because, well, I mean, aren't they cute? All right, let's get started. So I'm just removing all of these because, one, I love these pretty Post-its because they allow me to really use everything. Now I'm looking at them like, I already did use that. Okay, so I don't need that. I'm going to change that around to that. And we can throw that away. Basically, it helps me pre-plan what my videos are going to be, what stickers I'm going to use. So really, it's a way to pre-plan. And there's some of these Post-its that move from spread to spread every month because there's some videos that are consistent every month. Anyway, I feel like this needs washi, but which washi? Ooh, I think, or is that too much pink? I feel like that would be too much. If this was in purple, that would be amazing. Or like I think something to neutralize it, I think would be good. Okay, so let's see. All right, I do need space down here to be able to keep track of some stats. But let's just, there we go. It's always hard making that first rip here. I just want to make sure though that I have enough room. If not, we'll start here and use one of these massive pink circles, which are so fun. And then I'm gonna put, yeah, this one. And if April is your birthday month, well, happy birthday. Then I'm going to, this is gonna drive me nuts. That always happens when I'm peeling off washi. Like part of it just bends over. Oh well. Then I think I'm going to place one of these ones. I just wanna see though, if I'm looking back to, like, for example, February, how much I need. Really just that much room on the side. Okay. Oh, there goes my printer. So I can use this and then use one of the washi strips. Cute, 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 cute. And place it down just like that. Just to add a bit of a border. And I think, do I want to use Keep Calm and Have a Cupcake here? Huh, of course. Keep Calm and Have a Cupcake. Or do I want to, you know what, let's put it here. When I'm decorating, I'm kind of, there's a little bit of a method to my madness, but most of the time it's where do I feel like putting a sticker down. And I used to work by the rule of threes. I feel like that's too much. I want to instead maybe put another circle there. I used to work by the rule of threes. You know, you've got 3 here, you've got 4 here, but I think it works. What I think I'm gonna do next is, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and write in the letters IG and YouTube every day here, and this allows me to have a monthly overview of all of my Instagram posts and all of my YouTube videos, and it also allows me just to be able to plan out my content. A lot of the content is already consistent. For example, my plan with me is my daily journals, things like that, but there's some things that I have to switch around. But I like being able to see it in a monthly overview like this because it does allow me just to make sure that everything is balanced, and for me as well, that the workload is manageable. All right, so the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is add a few of these smaller icons around, especially on the days that I know that I don't normally post videos. So for example, I don't normally post on the 1st, or Mondays. I don't normally post on Mondays, but now I'm thinking, oh, let's put it on the Wednesday. Then let's see, I have to save a couple of these as well. So let's put one on another Wednesday, or yeah, on a Monday maybe. Okay, what I'm going to start doing now then is just writing in the things that I think we'll need. So I have to refer back to an earlier spread here. So for example, my stats, I will place here. Just put a big line across both the T's there. So this is my Esterbrook SD Lilac, and it currently has Ferris Wheel Press Royalis in it. Beautiful. Okay. So then, gosh, the dog next door is barking. I've got Lucy on my chair, so I'm afraid she may start barking shortly. So before I do that, let's take one of these. This will be for YouTube. So I'll go with views. Gosh, the dog next door. And then subscribers. What my total is by the end of that month. Then underneath that, I will put Instagram. And this is more just for, you know, my data keeping. So we've got followers. And I mean, I keep these just to keep track of things. It's not as if I'm really trying, but not making it a job to gain followers or anything like that. And then on this side, I will have affiliates. Affiliates. So we'll have, according to Allie, have Atlas. I also have Hemlock and Oak. And did I include Amazon in there? Yes, I did. Okay. All right. Now, I'm looking at the top here, and it kind of looks like sparse. So I'm going to almost want to, okay, I'm gonna do something different with these. I haven't done this with these circles before, but I'm gonna do something a little wild and crazy. Even, I say for me, wild and crazy, but really it's not that crazy. I'm gonna turn this like this, just to add circles up here, and I wrinkled it. I'm gonna add a circle up here, and do the same with these. I remember when I used to do my happy planner videos, I cut stickers all the time. And some people are like, why did you cut your stickers? I'm like, well, why not? They're cute. If you can cut them so that they fit along more parts of your spread, well, why don't you? So, I actually really like that. I think that is really cute. I'm gonna save, do I wanna save these? Oops. I want to use this in my daily spread, but let's put a couple maybe on a Friday. Or now that I've completed this section here, I can add a bigger cupcake here. And I can add maybe another cupcake here. All right, I like that. I'm going to keep it that way for now. I'm going to go ahead and also start adding in what I know I'm going to do for my Instagram and YouTube. So there is my monthly spread for my social media, I guess Instagram, YouTube planner overview. Now let's go to the currently page where, back here. Now with the, with the Sterling Ink planner not being dated, I've had to I've had to go in here and actually count out how many pages I need for each month so that I know where my currently pages are going to go. So that is what you see these post-its for. So I'm going to get my tabs here so that I know that I can mark down April. So these tabs are sold in my shop. Now this one is actually an oopsie one. This one, the color did not print the way that I wanted to, so I don't currently have this color in my shop. It's just an oopsie, and I thought, well, I can't sell it and I can't waste it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Now I'm thinking, how far apart are they? So they're about that far apart. And I know there's so many people who have said it's easier if you do it this way, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do it the way I can. There we go. As straight as I can get it. There. Okay, now I can put the pencil board back. And I love using a pencil board because, one, with the way that I write, I like something on the back of what I write so that it's just smoother. So let's move this out of the way. And just a quick look at what I did in, I was going to say March, but let's show you what I did in January, just the way that I've decorated that page. And it actually worked out, that format, really, really well for me. So I'm going to stick to that. Let's find my circles. So let's put a circle here with all of the cupcakes down at the bottom. Although I feel like I really should put them in the middle and then put the April there instead. So let's do that. Trying out different things all the time. I think that's also why it's fun to have a blank slate like this. Where is the April? Perfect. And to know that I can basically make any format. I know that some people find that so intimidating, to have no format can really throw some people off. And I get that. I used to be like that I needed a specific format in the way that I did things. So if we look at January, already things are different from the way that I've done it, but I like it. So there's decorations here. Now, I want to use all of these, so I think I'm going to use this big one down here because I feel like I have the most room down here to be able to do so. Then I feel like I could do just a smattering or a sprinkle, a sprinkle of them up at the top. I forgot that I had this washi that I could use as well to just add a little bit of a different color. And actually these two I feel like could go here together because I want it to be a spread of maybe smaller cupcakes up along the top. Use up all of my little cupcakey stickers because why not? And really, when it comes to creating these monthly or currently spreads, do what works for you. You do not have to use as many stickers as I do. I am only using this many stickers just because I have this compulsion to want to finish sticker sheets. So these will all get finished. There we go. So 3 sticker sheets finished, and then I can go in here with my Tombow Food No Stay brush pen, which you can get off of Amazon. I have a link to that in the description below. Currently inked. Perfect. And then I'm going to place 2 of these over top to create that header. And these swatches were also painted by me using fountain pen ink, and then I digitized them and put them into Procreate, as well as then into my Silhouette. So then I'll also list the books that I've read this month, or in the month of April. My goal is to read anywhere from 2 to 3 books a month. I am trying to listen to my audiobook 10 to 15 minutes a day, and also read, not 10 to 15 minutes a day, as many minutes as I can really, but I'm also trying to read 10 to 15 pages of my book every day. So I'm doing both an audiobook as well as a in real life book, a hardcover, or a, you know what I mean. There we go. And then goals. All right, perfect. I still have a lot of those, so I can certainly use those in other spreads, but I really like it. It's cute. I'm going to have all of my currently inked listed here along with my goals. So there's the currently spread for there, and then the monthly spread for here. I actually really like the way that that looks. All right, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.